the box contents for the Removu K1, a fantastic gimbal stabilization system we've taken a look at in a previous video, is a little lacking, although those looking for a bit more need to consider this, the Removu K1 Accessory Kit. The kit itself comes with some pretty useful accessories all wrapped up in a well presented package that folds out, revealing each item contained within its own section. On one side we have a lens cleaning cloth, protection film for the lens and LCD screen, and a wrist strap for attachment to the lanyard hole at the bottom of the device. All pretty basic stuff. The more useful items being on the opposite side. A plastic constructed lens protection cover that snaps straight over the K1's lens, sitting rather firm and protecting the lens during storage or transportation, while keeping that overall sleek look. Fortunately, it's just as easy to remove for when you want to get shooting too. Also in the package is a rather stylish docking station, again with a plastic construction, a rubberized bottom keeping it firmly on your desk, and a single micro USB charging port on the rear, in which you can attach the cable that was supplied with your Removu K1 itself. Two metal prongs in the dock make contact with the two metal connectors on the bottom of the K1's battery, ensuring the dock begins charging the battery as soon as the unit is in place. Better still, users are able to charge spare batteries alone in the same fashion. Not only does the dock maintain that sleek and stylish overall look, it's fully functional too. Nevertheless, probably the most important accessory for many is the included Removu MX1 external microphone, complete with its foam cover, although a furry windshield is also included for shooting in windier environments. This simply connects to the external microphone port on the side of the K1 and should provide better audio capture, so let's put it to the test. What you hear now is the Removu K1's built-in microphone. I'm in a relatively open environment with just a touch of wind, hand holding the K1 at a comfortable shooting distance. I'll stay quiet now so you can hear any background noise. Now we have the external Removu MX1 microphone attached along with its furry windshield in exactly the same environment. Hopefully this should provide a stronger audio capture, although the microphone does still point out to one side rather than towards you or towards your subject, which is one of the main downsides. Again, I'll stay quiet here for a moment to hear any background noise. So as we can tell, the MX1 external microphone does improve sound quality a little, although it's certainly not as drastic as I would have hoped for. Saying that, the built-in microphone also does a pretty good job in comparison to other gimbals out there, the Osmo for example. To be fair, I would have preferred a right-angled microphone so that it can face the operator or the subject for better audio capture, something just a little bit more adjustable. Saying that, the accessory package as a whole is handy and something Removu K1 owners should definitely consider. At $50 though, and considering all accessories in the kit complement the K1 so much, I can't help think that these should have all been included with the K1 package in the first instance, rather than being a separate purchase.